company before have I worked somewhere where you really get that sort of sense that everybody understands any issues, any problems that I've had. I've been able to bring them forward honestly.
When I started working for Hafan Cymru, I wanted an employer that would respect me and take account of my needs in the workplace. Ensuring that we work in a safe environment and keep our service users safe requires good quality management, and that is what Hafan Cymru does.
So there is a place for people who want to stay here for a long time, and there are different opportunities. Not everything is on the ground supporting people. There are different areas where you could potentially, look to work in a different team, a different department, or in fact in a different part of Wales.
So I started with Hafan Cymru just under 3 years ago as a support assistant, and I've just recently become the operations manager for North West Wales. I feel like there's further development and further progression always upcoming, so I can't see me ever not wanting my career with Hafan Cymru.
It's extremely rewarding. When we are delivering our sessions, it's all about helping them and that they feel better at the end of the day and that we've made a difference.